Hello from Vietnam. Today it's only a short video where I want to show you a bit what I'm doing currently. So I'm traveling here, currently up in Sapa, and you see behind me the beautiful colorful rice terraces, and yeah, it's a little teaser video of what's to come the next weeks. So I'm not able to edit a full vlog while traveling, but I can at least give you a little update. So currently staying here in a wonderful hotel in Sapa, and yeah, that's the view from our terrace, and set up the camera this morning to get a few detailed photos of the rice paddies. So let me quickly show you. So I have all those paddies lined up with beautiful vibrant colors this morning. So last night there was a big thunderstorm, so everything's wet, and now using a polarizer I can really bring out the colors. And yeah, but it's not only rain, so the last days I had sun and also could take some nice photos of the paddies with the late afternoon light. So currently quite a productive trip, and I also filmed a lot of it, so stay tuned for the videos. Yeah, for now I think the plan for today is get breakfast and afterwards do some hiking. So down there between the rice paddies there are some tracks leading down into the valley. Then there's a river in the midst of the valley and you can go up the other side. So a lot to explore, and yeah, looking for a composition. And as I said in my other videos already, scouting is very important. So you have to hike a lot, look for compositions to be able to then take a photograph during sunrise and sunset. So quite excited, and yeah, next stop will be the coast, and afterwards we're going to Hong Kong. So stay tuned for the videos, and yeah, for now I just have to do a little more scouting, traveling and enjoying the nature of Vietnam. See you soon.